Every year, PCBA quality issues cost the industry over $10 billion. A single solder defect could scrap an entire batch. Can your product withstand millions of cycles and extreme environments? Today, POE takes you inside the full journey of PCBA quality control. Quality starts at the source. Over 70% of PCBA issues stem from substandard components. At POE, all incoming parts must pass strict IQC. Visual and package checks to block counterfeits. Confirm that each component is genuine, in good quality, and has correct specifications. Full ESD protection during handling. And ERP-based batch traceability. Only qualified materials move forward into production. In PCBA, process control is the heart of quality. Step 1. Solder paste printing, responsible for over 60% of soldering defects. SPI scans paste volume and thickness with plus or minus 10% accuracy to prevent shorts and voids. Next, SMT placement. Our machines, with high-resolution vision systems, achieve plus or minus 0.025 mm precision, a quarter the thickness of a human hair, ensuring even 0.1005 components land perfectly. After placement, AOI inspection checks polarity, shifts, and missing parts. 4 BGAs and QFNs, 3D X-ray scanning verifies hidden joints for voids and defects. This system eliminates problems before they grow. Appearance alone doesn't guarantee performance. Before mass production, we conduct first article inspection, FAI, checking every component, footprint, and coordinate to ensure design files fully align with production. Before delivery, every board passes AOI or X-ray inspection, not just to catch defects, but to confirm full compliance. Finally, functional testing simulates real-world conditions, verifying power, signals, and interface reliability. Through FAI, full inspection, and function test, we minimize risks and ensure every PCBA is delivered with reliability and confidence. Electronics must endure real-world stress. At POE, PCBA boards undergo rigorous reliability checks, thermal cycling from -40 to +125. 85/85 temperature humidity testing, vibration and drop impact tests for shipping durability. And 72-hour burn-in testing at full load to reveal hidden flaws. Only boards that survive these extremes reach our customers. Quality control is not just inspection, it's continuous improvement. POE MES system records every process parameter in real time, from paste thickness to placement deviation and AOI results, creating full traceability. When anomalies appear, we trace them to the batch, line, and operator, then analyze data to fix root causes and refine process. This closed-loop system keeps our first-pass yield consistently above 99.8%. From incoming materials to shipment, POE enforces over 10 quality checkpoints, achieving a 99.8% first-pass yield. PCBA quality control is not a cost, it's a foundation of trust.